All right, everyone, here behind me I have two vehicles today. I'm going to show you the subtle difference between these two. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to have two links that take you to these particular models and show you the cool standard features and functions. So the first one here, I have a 2021 Honda CR-V EX Hybrid, and I have a 2021 Honda CR-V EX. All right, let's go explore them. All right, so here we are outside of both of the CR-Vs. Both are going to be EX model. We got the hybrid over here on the right-hand side. Then we have the standard CR-V over here on the left-hand side. I want to start off at the Moroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause the video right there for those additional information. We'll do it back to back. So right here is going to be the standard CR-V EX. Talks about the fuel economy up there is going to be 29 for as a combined 27 for the city and 32 for the highway. You got your safety ratings, everything over here, and then the price point. So now when we get to the hybrid CR-V EX all-wheel drive, here's the Moroni sticker. You guys are welcome to pause right there or continue to explore with me. Up on the top right-hand corner, it talks about your fuel economy. You got 40 for the city, 35 for the highway with a combined of 38. Then you have your safety ratings right over here, and then the price point. Now, some of the cosmetic differences here on the outside, excuse me, you're going to have your emblem. So as you see right there on the hybrid, you got a nice little blue around the big H. Then over here on the standard CR-V, you're not going to have that nice little bit of blue around. You're also going to have LED lights all the way around on the hybrid CR-V. I'm talking about your fog lights, tail lights, daytime running lights, and headlights. Right over here is just pretty much going to be your daytime running lights and then your tail lights for LED. Everything else is going to be standard from that point. The cosmetics on the outside, on the rest of the vehicle is going to be the same except for the hybrid badging on the hybrid CR-V. Now as you get here towards the back of the vehicle, both are going to have a hydraulic lift gate. As you pop that right open, and the standard CR-V, you're going to have a spare tire down below. The hybrid, once again, hydraulic lift gate. You can have a tire patch kit down below, no spare tire. Now, of course, these are going to have different engine setups. You're going to have a 2.0 ECVT 4-cylinder, and this one's going to have a 1.5 4-cylinder turbo. It's going to be in there with a CVT transmission. All right, then when you get into the hybrid CR-V, cool thing about the EX, you're going to have 2-seat memory, comes standard now. Now to get this, you have to get in, for the standard CR-V, you have to get into the EXL. So standard on the EX for the hybrid, then exclusively for the hybrid CR-V, you have the shift-by-wire technology, which is not available right now in the standard CR-Vs. You're going to have EV mode, Sport, and Econ. Let's jump right in the standard CR-V. As you can see with the EX model, no 2-seat memory, and then no shift-by-wire technology. You got a shifter right down over here. You're also going to gain idle stop. That's going to make it more fuel efficient for your city driving from that point. Now, if you guys have any further questions about these two particular models, feel free to contact me at Randy Kuehl Honda, or even drop a comment down below. If you found these videos helpful, feel free to show your support by hitting like and subscribe. Now, and then don't forget to check out the videos at the end. That's going to show you the standard features and functions for each one of these. All right, this is Crazy Honda Chris signing off. Thanks for watching.